Hello everyone, I'm Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: the future and growth of the Indian power backup market. Amazon India launches COVID-19 relief scheme to strengthen financial support for frontline teams and eligible employees. Tank up to empower 1,000 fuel entrepreneurs across India. BMW Group India pledges ₹8 crore to strengthen the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Sachet and Parampara breaks all records with their original mix Meera Ke Prabhu. The government's initiative to expand the electrification rate in India, coupled with technological developments, are further expected to positively influence the Indian inverter market in the coming year. After fulfilling the needs of electricity, relying on uninterrupted power to run critical systems has become mandatory. So as a result, the Indian power backup market is also spreading its root in the economy. By the year 2023, the Indian power backup market is presumed to cross 500 billion. Power backup market can be broadly segmented into three fields: diesel generators, UPS and inverter. Zun Solar aims to capture this vast inverter market in the coming years. Zun Solar has brought forth many solar products, including several solar combos at a very affordable range, to compete in this market with a focus on price and quality. The main objective is to liberate the common man with humble backgrounds residing in villages and small towns from the huge electricity bills and provide light to every household. Next up is Amazon India has now launched a COVID-19 relief scheme. Through this initiative, Amazon India will provide additional financial assistance to frontline teams of associates hired through staffing agencies and other eligible employees with a COVID-19 allowance and additional hospital reimbursement. The COVID-19 allowance is a one-time grant per employee of ₹30,600 for in-house COVID care, medical equipment and medication-related expenses. If employee exceeds this maximum insurance cover due to COVID-19 related hospitalization expenses, Amazon India will also additionally reimburse insurance approved hospital expenses up to ₹1,90,000. Swati Rastogi, HR Director of Amazon India Operations, said, "While our frontline team help deliver the items customers need at their doorstep, we are committed to creating a financial and medical support system for our network of associates impacted by COVID-19 across the country." Next up is Tank Up is one of the pioneers in the mobile fueling space with a pan-India presence, empowering fuel entrepreneurs to build, manage and grow a successful business of door-to-door delivery of high-speed diesel. Tank Up's mobile fueling solutions have enabled fuel entrepreneurs to deliver more than 1 crore litre of diesel to their industrial and stations clients. The company is now extending its expertise and solutions to guide 1,000 new fuel entrepreneurs in setting up and running a successful D3 business. With an initial investment of just ₹25 lakh, fuel entrepreneurs can start a predictable and sustainable business by partnering with Tank Up. Next up is BMW Group India has placed a total of ₹8 crore towards the COVID-19 pandemic. An additional contribution of ₹5 crore has been made on top of the company's earlier commitment of ₹3 crore. BMW Group India's efforts are dedicated towards augmenting healthcare infrastructure and medical services in Gurgaon and Chengalpattu. Associations with government and non-government organizations have been initiated for on-ground implementation. 150 oxygen concentrators have been imported by BMW Group India for critical care of COVID-19 patients. Next up is the 1-minute-long video set the internet on fire, with millions of fans asking for the complete version. Ever since the composer duo Sachet and Parampara Tandon started making a reels for Instagram, original mixes for their social media and even their daily banter, they have become a household name, and each essay has been resulted in a viral effect. Their latest original mix called Meera Ke Prabhu crossed over 20 million views in span of 7 days. Not only this, over 20,000 reels were made on Instagram using this song. And the positive reviews and comments have been non-stop since the song was uploaded. This is it for today. Thank you for watching Triple Talk.